Keeping up with the search engine algorithm is a lot like trying to stay on top of TikTok trends. It's literally impossible. But with the right strategy, you can still rank way up on Google. How do you do it? WriterZen. What's happening? It's Dipen here with Best Software Deals, the #1 digital marketplace for organic traffic fiends. Today, I cannot wait to tell you all about WriterZen, the results-focused SEO content software that gives you every tool you'll ever need. But before we get to the main event, be sure you are subscribed to the Best Software Deals YouTube channel. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on any of our awesome deals. Now, let's get to it. The key to any good SEO strategy is research, and WriterZen gives you exactly what you need to create the perfect research workflow. Start by typing in your seed keyword, and WriterZen pulls up clusters of related topics competitors are ranking for, with data on top-ranking articles, headlines, and related searches, so you can get all of that info in literal seconds. Then, WriterZen does something magical. The software has a built-in golden score system. Basically, what it does for you is it filters your chosen words to find the highest traffic, lowest competition combinations. That way, you'll have no problem ranking for that topic. Disclaimer, you still need to write a quality article if you want to rank. But that won't be a problem because WriterZen gives you a full stack of writing tools. Here, you just need to follow 3 simple steps. 1. Build an outline based on competitor analysis. 2. Select the keywords you want to work with and creep your competitors to see how they're using them. 3. Write your article, support your efforts with the writing AI, and use the advanced plagiarism check tracker to finalize it once you're done. Easy, breezy, beautiful, WriterZen. You want to know more about the AI? Okay, check this out. With OpenAI's GPT-3, the world's most advanced language AI, you can automate your outline, expand it into a full article, and the AI has been trained to optimize your SEO, too. Ready to build an SEO workflow that gets your content to the top of Google and keeps you there. Then you got to check out WriterZen. Don't wait. Get access today. Paused weird. Wow, we're off to a great start. Can't even get past the first sentence. Keeping up with the search engine algorithm is a lot like